How to fix link preview not showing on WhatsApp. So if you want to fix link preview is not showing on your WhatsApp, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your YouTube. After opening, you can just simply go with the three dots and then you can tap on share and copy the link. After copying the link, you can go with your WhatsApp and open up a chat. After that, here you can just after pasting the link, as you can see that in my case I have a link preview. But if you don't find a link preview, then what you can do is you can just simply select the chat and then you can go with the three dots which is on the top right. After tapping on the top right, which has that three dots, you will have edit option. Tap on edit. From the edit, you need to remove the last letter. After that, you can send, and this may fix your problem. But if this doesn't fix your problem, then the link preview option or that feature might have been removed in your region, or your app might not have been updated. So you just need to simply go back and open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you can just simply go with search, and under search you can search for WhatsApp. After searching, if you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.